Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Android version and whether visual voicemail is active. Carrier apps behave differently. Once done, open Settings, then Apps or Apps and Notifications. You need to reveal system processes, so tap the three-dot menu and choose Show System. Doing this exposes the phone and carrier services apps you'll modify next. Make sure to stay in Settings. Don't open the phone dialer yet, because the next steps require app-level controls. You now select the phone app or your carrier service app from the list. Once selected, tap Notifications and find the voicemail channel. Toggle it off to stop new notification badges. If the persistent notification remains, go back to the app page, choose Storage, then Clear Cache. If that fails, Clear Data will reset the app's stored state. Be aware clearing data may reset some preferences. If prompted, confirm and then restart the phone to let changes take full effect. Finish by rebooting your phone so Android refreshes notification badges and app states. If the notification persists, return to the app page and either disable the carrier voicemail app or uninstall its updates to revert to a default state. That often clears the stuck flag. If nothing works, contact your carrier and ask them to reset your voicemail indicator on their end. One troubleshooting tip: test with airplane mode on and off to force sync. It helps determine if the issue is local or carrier side.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.